Welcome back to the tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Wi-Fi password. So, in order to check a Wi-Fi password, you want to swipe from the top down on your phone and just press and hold where it shows the Wi-Fi. Here you will see it shows the Wi-Fi here as well. You just want to go ahead and tap on the Wi-Fi connection right there. Now, here you can see the connected Wi-Fi. Now, in order for me to view the password for this Wi-Fi, I'm going to click on the settings here on the right hand side. This is going to now show me the details for the Wi-Fi. And here you can see password. Now all I have to do is go ahead and tap on the eye and I will see my Wi-Fi. It may ask me for my fingerprint or password. So you want to do that first. After I do that, then I'll see the password for the Wi-Fi. And this is pretty useful if you want to go ahead and let's say connect your Wi-Fi to your computer, or you want to go ahead and connect it to another device or whatever it is, right? You can also want to connect it to your TV, but not sure what it is. And this is how you can easily quickly find it from your phone. No need to go ahead and take up the modem, look for the password. You have it stored right in your phone. And that's pretty much it, guys.